Number 11 on this page says codominance problems. Codominance. Codominance is when neither one is dominant over the other, but it's when the trait will show, both traits will show up in the offspring. So I have these things called roan, R-O-A-N, cows, or roan horses. Also, basically when you see both of those colors appearing. I have a black and white cat. Okay, has black hair and white hair. That would be an example of codominance. So it says in some cattle, the genes for brown hair, capital B, and for white hair, lowercase w, or excuse me, capital W, are codominant. Cattle with alleles for both brown and white hair have both brown and white hair. This condition gives the cattle a reddish color. So it makes them look red, but the brown and the white are not necessarily mixing. They just kind of look red from afar. But they have both brown and white hairs. So for each of the following, do a Punnett square. So I'm going to do a couple for you. So let's look at the first one, a roan cow and a white bull. So set up my Punnett square. The roan cow is going to be BW. Okay, has both brown and white hair. The white bull, the only way it can be white is two capital W's. So if I carry this genetic cross out or Punnett square, okay, what are the ratios here? Well, it's 1 to 1 or 2 to 2. You can, however you want to say it. But I have 50% chance of producing a roan offspring, which would show both brown and white hairs, and a 50% chance of showing white offspring, just having white hair only. I'm going to skip down to letter D on that same problem here. And like I said, I'll post a picture of the key online. But B and C are very similar to the ones we just did. But if I look at that letter D, it says a roan cow and a roan bull. Well, if they're both roan, R-O-A-N, I have these combinations in their genotype, BW, BW. Okay, carry this Punnett square out. Okay, so if I have two roan cows producing offspring, there's a 25% chance that a brown cow will be produced. There is a 50% chance that a roan cow will be produced, and then a 25% chance that a white offspring will be produced. And that is codominance, or problems with codominance.